What's up guys, it's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company and we are back with another car review. Today we're going to be checking out our brand new 2018 Volvo XC60. This one's got the Momentum trim, so we're going to have some really nice features on the interior as well as the exterior here. We do have those T-shaped LED headlights, parking sensors across that front bumper with a front camera here. You also do get a little bit of chrome trimming on that grille, on these side pieces. Two-tone alloy rims with a really nice white paint job. No scratches or dents, anything like that. You get a camera under each of these rear view mirrors, keyless entry, chrome trimming around the windows, parking sensors across the back bumper, and then it does come with a dual exhaust system. You got a regular backup camera. This is the T8 version. You got the all-wheel drive. And then it does come with an automatic power lift gate, so all you got to do is tap that button once. You got your divider up here. And then it does come with the mats, a 12-volt socket. And then you have your controls for your seats. So you can throw those down for even more space in the back of your XC60. And then you can put this down automatically with that button. Other than that, it is going to get blind spot monitors on the rear view mirrors. You can see this little arrow. And then you have your charging port here. It is a hybrid, so we're going to get some really good gas mileage with it. But let's check out the interior. Alright, so probably one of the coolest features that comes with this XC60. Alright, so probably one of the coolest features that comes with this XC60 Momentum is the self-parking. So what we're going to do is you're going to throw it into reverse. It's going to give you the option to park in here. Just tap that and it'll say scanning right, keep close to spots. So we're going to aim for either this spot in between the Acura and the Infiniti, or up there next to the Lexuses. But all you got to do is put it into drive. It's going to scan while you're driving. You still do have control of the brakes and the steering, so we'll just continue forward. So it'll just keep scanning until it sees a spot where it can fit in. So you can see we're passing this Lexus here. And you can see there, spot found. It's ready to park in the spot there. Continue forward and follow instructions. So we'll just go forward a little bit more. Slot found, stop to park. It'll tell you to go into reverse perpendicular parking. So at this point, it's going to take control of the steering. You do have controls of the brakes, but we'll reverse into this spot. You can see the steering wheel is moving by itself, and it does show you kind of a meter of how long it's going to be putting you in reverse for. You can see it keeps you away from the cars on the sides. It'll tell you to go back into drive when it's ready to kind of complete the process. You can see it's steering its way out. And then to complete the parking, just throw it into reverse. It'll still control the steering until you are parked. You do have control of the brakes the whole entire time, so you got to be a little careful there. But there you have it. Self-parking in this XC60 is awesome. Alright, to wrap it up on our new XC60, it's in great condition, doesn't have a single damage or accident on its Carfax report. It's got just over 34,000 miles with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine under the hood. This XC60 is going to get you up to 56 miles per gallon. With that hybrid engine under the hood, you are going to get gas and electric. You saw the charging port on the other side there. Parking sensors on the front and back of the SUV. You got self-parking, 4 cameras on the exterior, LED headlights, and an absolutely packed interior. Leather seating, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got that LCD display for your gauge cluster, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.